One of the most common ingredients we use in the kitchen is egg. Today, Rayaan is going to demonstrate to you how to crack eggs without mess.
So first you need a flat surface like this. Then gently crack it like this. Then find the bullseye, which has a crack here, and then stick your thumbs in and open. And if you get the shell in the egg, you just take another bigger one and start to scoop it out. Now, I'm gonna teach you how to whisk. You have to hold the bowl and tilt it a little bit and go in small circles and very quick, like this. If you still see a little bit of white, you have to keep beating it like uniform, so it all must be the same color. And this is how you whisk an egg.
Alright, so Rayaan just showed you how to crack eggs without mess. And then from the eggs that we just cracked and beat, we're actually going to make the Brazilian cheese rolls that puff up like a lot, very airy, crunchy on the side. So the key ingredients here are actually tapioca flour. We're going to put in the eggs, milk. I'm going to do an Asian twist, which is to add green onion. And later we can all enjoy, of course, cheese as well. I'm very passionate about sharing the joy of cooking, and I think we can instill very early on. So I actually start my boys cooking very early. The key thing is get them to be able to master certain skill sets, such as how to use a knife safely, how to crack eggs without mess. I think once you're able to master these key skills, you can follow recipe much easier, and you can start to be in the kitchen on your own. I blended all the ingredients and I'm going to pour it. So this is a dish that we do a little bit of cutting, we do some measuring, then we also beat an egg. So I like to pick these recipes where kids will get to practice multiple skills that they are learning at the class. Then I'm going to put a bunch of cheese inside. Baking at 200 Celsius, fan on for 15 to 20 minutes.